enthusiastic learners, welcome back to NIEL. And not only in NIEL's channel, today I welcome you all in the last part of the video that is all about instead of dash, use dash. So here we are going to see more words. Instead of very, you can use dash. To begin with, we have very sure. I am very sure about this. Use certain. I am certain about this. I am certain about something that is cooking between John and Kiara. When you talk about something cooking, it means that they are having a secret affair. Next we have very clear. Instead of very clear, we can say obvious. Yes, obvious. Like during COVID-19, we all saw that businesses were shut down. So we can say that the effect of pandemic on the economy was obvious. Here we have very busy. Instead of very busy, you can say swamped. Like these days, people make fun of work from home. So you can say, do you think work from home is just fun? I am swamped with video calls and emails whole day. Moving on to next, we have very special. Very special की बजाय you can use exceptional. For example, her capability of learning math formulas is exceptional. Let's have a look on the next one, that is very smooth. Instead of very smooth, guys start using the word sleek. For example, although it's my grandfather's scooter, but it is very sleek to ride. Now we have very lazy. Very lazy की जगह हम normally use करते हैं lethargic, but now we can use indolent. Indolent. When you're talking about indolent, it is a high phrase to say कि बहुत ज़्यादा आलसी है. Like, I am not an indolent person. Are you guys? Or you can take an example. TV and video games have developed a generation of indolent teens. Next we have very sorry. Instead of very sorry, we can say apologetic. For example, he was really apologetic for his late arrival at the meeting. Here we have very happy. Very happy के लिए we can say ecstatic. जब आप इतना खुश होते तो वो word भी अच्छा use होना चाहिए. That is ecstatic. Like I was absolutely ecstatic when I got the result which I passed with flying colors. Moving further, we have very mean. Very mean की जगह we can say cruel. Example, don't tease him about his weight. It's cruel. Last but not the least, we have very colorful. Whenever I talk about rainbow, I say very colorful, but here we can say vibrant. Like rainbow is always vibrant. Personally, I like the festival of Holi. It's vibrant. And now I am sure that learning these new English words will make your English vibrant. For more videos, stay tuned.